sometimes we might need to merge cells together. So this is how we do that. So right down here, I'm going to highlight these two cells. So I'm just going to kind of drag it over here so now they're both highlighted. And I'm going to go up here to Format, and you're going to see Merge Cells. And I'm going to merge all of them, the ones that are highlighted. So I'm going to go ahead and merge them all, and you'll see that it merged those two cells together. So I'm going to do that one more time for you. I'm going to go ahead and highlight these 4 cells together. Go down here and go to Merge Cells, Merge All, and it merged them together. All right, so I can only do it horizontally, right? No, watch this. I'm going to go ahead and click all of these cells right here. I'm going to select them, and I'm going to go back over to Merge, and now I'm going to go ahead and merge all of them together. So now I have a big box in here that I can put maybe images or data in if I like. And that is how you merge cells. Thanks for watching. And if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.